Hi, this is a Casio FX82MS calculator, and it doesn't have the ability to do complex calculations or calculations involving base such as binary, hex, and decimal. Therefore, today I will show in this video how to make this calculator do that functions. First of all, turn on this calculator, press on. Now let me show you that it doesn't have the complex and binary calculations. So first I will click mod. Here you can see that there is comp SD and reg. Pressing mod again, degree radian gradient. Pressing mod again, fix scientific normal. Pressing again display. Pressing again nothing. So you can see that it doesn't have a menu here showing complex calculations or SD or base or other things involves. Also there are no buttons here physically available for base calculations or complex here, which would be here for iota or something like this. So first of all, to make this calculator do those calculations, you would have to go to the mod button. Now press mod, press 2, press 0. Now keep pressing this M plus button continuously until the counter here reaches 80. So plus 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 plus, I am pressing it continuously. Let then reach its value of 80. So it's 52, 50, 70, 78, 90, 80. After pressing it again, it will say something like data full. Yes, it's saying data full. Now you can press the is equal to button. Now press 2. Now press this up arrow key. It says frequency it is equal to 1. Now press 1 3 and do this input until it reaches its memory full. So pressing 1 3 again, 1 3 1 3. Do not press 1 1 or something or anything else like this, it's wrong. Just press 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3. Make sure that you enter it correctly, or else this trick will not work. 1 3 1 3 1 3. I am putting it 1 3. What I haven't done it. Yes, 1 3 1 3 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3. And as you can see that this box is blinking, it indicates that it cannot accept more, or there are very little left to input. So 1 3, pressing it 3 again. Yes, 1 3 1 3 1 3. Now it's full. As you can see that it's not accepting any more input. So now press equal to data full. Again press equal. Now press 0 first. As you can see that there isn't any option displayed for 0, but you will have to press 0 first. 0 and then 1. Okay. Then you will have to press OK. Is equal to. It says syntax error. When you see this syntax error, it means that the trick is applied successfully. Now let me press AC. One thing more. Now the trick is applied. You can have complex and mod functions available on this calculator, but when you press this on button, or when you do not use this calculator, say for 3 or 5 minutes, and it automatically goes off, shutdowns, then this trick vanishes again. You will have to reapply it again. So this trick is very limited. It doesn't turn your basic FX82MS calculator into something like FX99 on ES or something, or 570MS, but it's good just for the time being. Okay, now I press mod. As you can see that now it has the function for comp and complex. Earlier there wasn't this menu available. I will show you that it does calculate complex variables or do this calculation. It doesn't just display. Pressing mod again, you can see SD, reg and base now is appearing here. Pressing it again, equation, you can now also solve equations on it. You can do matrices on it, you can do vector calculation on it. Earlier these three were also not present. So we have base calculations, we have complex, we have equation, we have matrix, we have vectors. 5 new functions are added into this calculator now. After that, pressing it again, those normal menus like those were earlier. So first, now it's let me do complex calculations too. Complex, here you can see that the word for complex is appearing. I don't think if my mobile will focus on it. Let me illuminate it with my torch. I think no, it's not focusing it. No, I'm trying to focus this word complex for you, but actually it's very low lighting condition, so it cannot focus on this word. Anyhow, here you will see 3. Let me say 2 plus 3 iota for iota press engineering. Here you see 2 plus 3 iota. This I is appearing, multiplied by 2, say, is equal to 4. Here you can see that the word for real and imaginary parts is appearing here up in the corner. So pressing, I don't know how to use this. These buttons are not labeled. You will have just to watch the layout of Casio FX 570 ms. In fact, now this calculator has turned into Casio FX 570 ms or 991 ms. Yes, I think if I press is shift with is equal to, I will get the imaginary part. Yes. Now 2 plus 3 iota multiplied by 2 is 6 iota, the imaginary part, and 4 which was displayed earlier. After pressing equal to its real part, to see the complex part, press shift equal to, here it is. So you can basically do all the complex calculations on it. Now let me illustrate the after complex the base function 3. Now it's decimal 45, it's 45 in decimal input. Let me convert into something else. After pressing this button, which is raised to the power, basically on 570 ms, here you will see hex labeled HEX. So hex 45 in decimal is 2D in hex, and it's 101101 in binary, and pressing it for octal 55 in octal. So you can see that it can also do base calculations. Now let me illustrate something else. What should I illustrate? Matrices, equations. Let me try equation 1. Equation has how many unknowns? 2 or 3? If you want to do quadratic or cubic equation solution, here is quadratic or solution, quadratic or cubic of degree 2. Here is linear calculations. If you want to do simultaneous solution of linear equations, you will have to press 2 involving 2 variables, 3 or 3 variables, or if you want to do quadratic or cubic equations, press right arrow key and press 2 for quadratic, 3 for cubic. Let me solve a quadratic equation 2. The variables of quadratic equations, let me input the coefficient A as 5. So it is 5x square, 5b, and c2. x1, as you know, its degree is 2, so it will have two answers. One is x1, which is minus 0.5, and for other, press is equal to x2, which is equal to minus 0.5. Pressing it again, I can go anywhere. Just press it again. Vectors, gradient. So basically you have turned FX82 ms into FX570 ES. Now if I press, as you can see here, all the functions are displayed: matrix, base, complex, radian, everything. Press AC mod. Let me go to comp node. Now as you can see that these are displayed here, complex or for base or this matrix. Now what happens when I press this on? All the settings will go and this calculator will return to the normal state, FX82 ms on, blah, everything gone. No complex, no base, nothing here, just normal calculator. So to enable to make it do complex calculation again, you will have to reapply the trick again. Thank you for watching the video, and please comment the video. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching. Shift off. Bye.